Hi there, it's Colleen. And in this tutorial, I'm going to address something that I get a lot of questions and comments on, and that's how to make this hero image full size when you don't have text. Now, when you add a hero image to Kajabi, it defaults with this, text on it. But that looks great. But what happens is when you remove this text, and click Save, you end up with this little tiny 200 pixel high image, which just doesn't really look all that great. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this so you have a nice full-size hero image without text. Because the truth is, sometimes your image just really says it all, and you don't really need any call to action. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here. We're in our hero image. We've deleted our text and we've got our small area. And as you see, Kajabi does a default desktop padding of 100. You can go ahead and just put zeros in here. As you see, it's going to make it even smaller. It's going to make it disappear. And then click this Make Section Full Height. And now click Save. And what you'll have is this nice, big, immersive, full height image for your hero section. And see how easy that is? I mean, Kajabi just makes everything so much easier for us. So that's all there is to it. So, as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. I check in every day or two, and I'd be happy to chat with you about this. Until then, I'll see you in the next tutorial.